நிஜமான கதைகள் சுவையோடு சுகமாக உருவான கதைகள்.
குட்டி ஸ்டோரியோட ஒலி புத்தக பகுதியில் இன்னைக்கு நான் வாசிக்க போகிற நூல் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி ஃபார் கிட்ஸ் சிவில் ரைட்ஸ் மூமெண்ட். இந்த புத்தகம் டினோ பிபின்ற பப்ளிஷிங் ஹவுஸோடது. Even though the United States Supreme Court passed a verdict in the favor of African Americans in Brown versus Board of Education case and said segregation was illegal, the real scenario did not change, especially in the southern states, and this is where the Little Rock Nine played an important role. One of the schools in Little Rocks, Arkansas, that did not admit African American was Central High School. Daisy Bates was a civil activist and a local leader of the NAACP. She recruited 9 African American children for admission to Central High School. The names of these 9 children, collectively called Little Rock Nine, were Minjian Brown, Terrance Roberts, Elizabeth Eckford, Ernest Green, Thelma Mothershed, Melba Patillo, Gloria Ray, Jefferson Thomas, and Carlotta Walls. Little Rock Central High School. Here is a small description of their first day, September 4, 1957, at Central High School. These children were most probably nervous, scared, and uncertain of what kind of treatment they would face on the first day. When they arrived at the school, people were yelling at them and saying nasty things. People told those poor kids to go away and that they were not wanted in the school. Not only the path of the children blocked by other students of the school, but the National Guard soldiers were also there to prevent their entry into the school. The governor of Arkansas sent the soldiers to Central High School to send the African American children back home in defiance against the Supreme Court order. The children were too scared to move forward and returned home without entering the school. While the governor went against the Supreme Court order, the President of the United States at that time, Dwight Eisenhower, took the matter into his own hands. He sent soldiers from the United States Army to offer protection to the Little Rock Nine. A few weeks after the opening of the school, these kids, surrounded by US Army soldiers, attended class. Of course, the US Army gave them protection from physical harm and attacks. However, there was more pain to come for the Little Rock Nine. The white children of the school treated the African American students very poorly, frequently calling them names. In fact, the situation got so bad that one of the 9 kids, Minjian Brown, left to join a high school in New York. The other 8 kids successfully completed the first year, and one of them, Ernest Green, even graduated from Central High School. The situation after the first year simply got worse because the governor decided to close all high schools in Arkansas. He believed that it was better not to have any school rather than have integrated schools. This kind of extreme approach was the prevailing attitude of the lawmakers and law enforcers during that time. As per the governor's orders, all high schools remained closed for the entire year. When school reopened, everyone blamed the Little Rock Nine for having to miss out an entire school year. The tension driven by racial discrimination mounted in the region. The immediate results of Little Rock Nine were not very positive. However, the courage displayed by the kids in such difficult circumstances gave a huge push to the integration movement across the country. Here are some more interesting and inspiring facts about the Little Rock Nine. Melba Patlio's mother said to her daughter, "Smile no matter what. Remember, Not everyone approved of what Jesus did, but that didn't stop him. Her mother's inspiring words kept Melba's hopes and dreams alive. She grew up to become a reporter for NBC News. Another student, Terence Roberts, continued his education and went on to earn his doctoral degree and became a professor at UCLA. Ernest Green, the one who graduated from Central High School, went on to become the Assistant Secretary of Labor and worked directly under Jimmy Carter.